may pinagdadaanan kaya wala ko. Wala naman. Oo, kasi alam mo naman sa showbiz, di ba pag nagbago ka ng hairstyle, iisipin nila may pinagdadaanan ka.
Hindi, may bagong movie lang napanood, kaya iba yung...
Kaya iba yung Oo. Pero kasi Maris, yung love team nyo ni Anthony talagang nag-click, di ba, sa Can't Buy Me Love. So, I just wanna know, paano kasi no-support ng iyong real-life boyfriend na si Rico Blanco doon sa success mo ngayon, sa success ng love team nyo ni Anthony? Hindi ba siya nagsiselos? Kasi kung ako yung boyfriend, parang sa sobrang click nyo, tatablan ako eh.
Hindi sila sa Rico. Supportive siya.
So, okay lang ba sa kanya? Kasi balita magkakaroon kayo ng next project ni Anthony.
Yeah, supportive siya sa next project natin.
Ano nang development doon? Kailan na mag-push through ba siya?
Magsa-start na po kami soon. Ngayon lang, ready lang yung table readings, yung workshops, ganun po.
So, parang ito yung highlight talaga ng career mo, Maris, dahil ang daming nagkagusto dun sa role mo. So, parang talaga ngayon yung year mo, di ba? So, at this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Maris? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kayo ni Rico. What if, at the height of your career, bigla kang alokin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Focus lang po ako sa career.
So, mas priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but, sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request for tissue paper, please? Yes. Thank you. Yes. Maris have some. There. I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. But yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Okay lang ba mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, walang nagtanong, but, nangyari? Oo. Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated niya na situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. So 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. Because it's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much. I love him and he loves me, but I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self. It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. And Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. And
sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din, I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil na kung nag-click yung ano nyo ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup.
Parang Anthony is anxious for that. If you guys want to throw some punches, I'm ready to take them. Yeah.
Thank you for being honest, Maris. Sorry. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Janice. And Maurice, if you'd like to compose yourself first. But we're all, of course, very affected also. We're here for you, Maurice. Thank you so much for being brave in facing this. Kanina nga napapansin na namin, marami na talaga nagtatanong sa'yo. And even online, I'm sure you're seeing the speculations of people, and we're sure it wasn't easy. But thank you for saying that statement here. And of course, we hope for the happiness for the both of you. Yes, whatever that may be at this point in your lives, we both wish you the best. Yes. Now, speaking of wishing you the best, again, we wish you the best in all of your projects, and that includes Marupok AF.
Oh, yeah,
yes.
I forgot about that.
So,
guys,
again, congratulations.
Thank you, Vijay. Guys, sana panoorin niyo Marupok AF. Available siya sa Ayala Cinemas.
this movie has a really deep message and a very important message. So I hope you guys watch it. Yeah, yun lang.
No, Maurice, I'm sorry to do this to you, but there's actually one more question.
Ay, ano yan? Go lang.
One more, oo.
Okay lang.
And this will be coming from Mr. June Lalin from Abante.
Hello po, Sir June.
Alam ko medyo nakakalma, pero may isa pa tayong friend from the media.
Actually, lahat kami naiyak ko.
Yes.
It's a very touching to moment na to. Pero, syempre, ang tagal na rin naman talagang lumalabas yung hiwalayan yun. No? Pero, syempre, so, alam ko how much yung hirap for you na iwasan mo na yung mga tanong na yan. Pero, kami dito, mostly, talagang inaangaan ka namin for being brave na yun nga, magawa mong aminin. And ang ganda ng sinabi mo na huwag isisi kay Rico, huwag itapon sa kanya lahat ng blame. No? Ang sarap lang na kahit nauwi sa hiwalayan yung relasyon nyo, yung talagang pinipilit mo ipagtanggol siya, pinipilit mo huwag siyang kumbaga, syempre, iba kasi mag-1 plus 1, ano nangyari, kahit sinabi mo na ikaw yung nagsabi sa kanya, yung maraming question, maraming kang pinagdadaanan. But ang sarap na, siguro si Rico will be very, very proud of you, very, very happy for you na, yun nga, despite everything, kahit ano pa, kasi daming naglalabasan sa internet, sa SOCMED, na dahilan kung ano, dinadami, pati nga si Anthony. Pero, yan, ang ganda. Sa tingin mo, anong magiging reaction ni Rico? Or pinag-usapan niyo ba ito? Na, syempre, pareho kang celebrity. Nag-usap ba kayo na, sige, aaminin ko na, sasabihin ko na wala na tayo? No? Pinagpaalam mo ba sa kanya?
Ako kasi yung mas active in terms of events, press cons. So I asked him, paano natin to gawin? How will we say it? Sabi na lang namin in one of the interviews, kung ma-interview. But yeah, he was supportive naman about it. I asked for his blessing na sabihin ko yung totoo.
Ang ganda ng sinasabi mo about him, no? And sa tingin namin, you still consider him as a friend?
Yes. Yes. Super. If I could still talk to him every day, I would.
Yeah. So, kumbaga, yung magagandang memories nyo, iti-treasure mo pa rin. Iti-treasure mo pa rin.
Super. Hindi yan mawawala sa akin. It will always be in my heart.
Alam mo, kanina, Maris, no, bago mag-start, feeling ko, magti-trending ka, kasi may mga kagagaan, kalokahan ka sasabihin. Pero, eto yata yung pagti-trending mo, na dramatic talaga.
Hindi ko in-expect to. Kasi, sunod-sunod na kasi yung tanong kanina na about heart and love and ano, and then just, you know, hirap lang mag-pretend. Ang hirap din construct ng sentence na alam mo namang totoong hindi ka okay.
And we understand that because you said
Yes.
na if you say it out loud, it becomes official, it becomes real, and this is the first time you said it. So we understand it po, di ba?
And kami naman, we're all supportive of you. And kasi kami, we love you. Isa ka sa pinakamabait na celebrity, mapagbigay. Actually, si Maris, eto, even in Can't Buy Me na tinali press ko, pinapalis na sila, pinapapasok sila. Sila ni Anthony talagang pinagbibigyan yung mga press na interview, di ba? Dalawa kami ni Vix, nakapag-interview kami sa online show namin, naging trending pa ngayon. Sa kalokahan nila, binasa niya yung TT. Pero yun na, ang bagay mo, kasi kaya ang masasabi ko, we're all here to support you, di ba? At least maganda na sinasabi mo, you can still be friends, you can still talk to him kahit araw-araw. So, yan. Feeling namin sa sinasabi mo, kahit syempre, yung iba, mag-iintigan talaga, madadami si Anthony. Pero feeling namin walang third party. Wala. Official, no third party. Yan. Pero yan, congratulations pa rin sa mga nangyayari sa career mo. Yun nga lang, masakit na yung love life mo, you have to sacrifice. Pero at least, you're doing great with your career. So, ako, congratulations dyan. And I hope makapag-heal ka kaagad kasi hindi kami sanay na isang Marisa Carr.
Teka lang, balabas yan mamaya.
Pero yan, ako, papanoorin ko yung movie mo.
Thank you.
Support ko sa'yo. Kasi mabait kang tao.
Oh, thank you.
And yun nga, hopefully, you can move on ng madali. Kasi nga, hindi naman kayo magkaaway, di ba? Magkailan kayo. Yan. Thank you. Yan, hindi ko nahabaan ng tanong. Para makaiyak pa siya mabuti. Yan. We love you. Yan. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir June Lalin. Of course, we echo his sentiments na talagang we're all here for you, Maris. Thank you so much for being generous this afternoon. And we wish you the best. And now, I'm giving you the floor to say your final message to your fans, to everyone watching. What would you like to say?
Mahal ko kayo, Maris Stellers. Thank you. Thank you to the press na pumunta dito. I hope you guys watch Marupok AF. It's still showing on Selective Cinemas in Ayala Mall Cinemas. Ayun. Kahit na naman ibigay ng mundo sa'yo, just be present. Go with the flow. Sakyan mo lang yung mga waves ng buhay. Kahit high yan or mababa, sakyan mo lang. And eventually, dadating ka din sa kung saan mo gusto.
No matter what those changes are, yung growth, of course, we would love to see that kami ng mga Maris Stellers na nanonood ngayon. We're so proud of you from your whole Star Magic family. We're so proud. Saka talagang datang Star Magic artist. And we can't wait for more of your projects in the future. Panoorin po natin ang Marupok AF, now showing in cinemas.